Hi everybody, it's your favorite English teacher here, Amy Joy, and today I'm going to talk about two words that my students tend to confuse. And these two words are aboard and abroad. So my students and we were talking about studying abroad, which is a very common topic with my students, and they started saying things like, studying aboard can be difficult sometimes. Or Wen Tao moved aboard to the US when he was 14. And Alice's parents sent her aboard for a better education. Now, I know these two words look similar, but they mean very different things. So, aboard versus abroad, what's the difference? Aboard is a preposition and it means on or into or in, and it is usually followed by a kind of vehicle or a vessel like a plane, a boat, a yacht, or a bus. So some examples with that, maybe Carrie stepped aboard the hot air balloon. I don't know if you've ever taken a hot air balloon ride, but if you did, then you stepped aboard the hot air balloon. And there are 2,000 passengers aboard the boat. And abroad means in a foreign country or far away. And usually it's used with the phrases like to study abroad or to go abroad. So for example, Carrie studied abroad in the US. And we went abroad to Japan for vacation. So quickly with me, go ahead and fill in the blank with aboard or abroad. So my sister decided to study, what do you think, aboard or abroad? Study abroad in Paris, yes. Number 2, step blank the plane, please. We would say step aboard the plane, please. 3, 2 lucky travelers, blank the yacht, will win a trip to Hawaii. So 2 lucky travelers, aboard or abroad the yacht. If you said aboard, then you are correct. 2 lucky travelers in the yacht will win a trip to Hawaii. And number 4, I have some family in Barcelona, so we went blank to Spain for the summer. We went aboard to Spain or abroad to Spain. What do you think? If you said abroad, then you would be correct. So that's all, quick little lesson. If you found that helpful, then go ahead, like my page, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you next time. Bye!